20%. My colleague Effiong Ekop is already live in the studio after the visit of Katsina State Governor. I was thinking the market was going to stay steady on the positive flank. But what is playing out and what's your overview for the week?
Well, on that day yesterday when the governor came in, the markets actually welcomed him.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, it was positive. If you want me to review that, the coming of the governor was very exciting, and indeed stockbrokers and market operators, they had to sing their familiar songs,
of course,
for what they do when they have a very big personality there. He said his coming was to alert the market that he wanted a partnership, with the entire trading community, so that they be able to prepare some documents in forms of bonds. We have different kinds. We have Sukuk, we have FG bonds, then the green bond that is also very popular. The alternative to his state to develop the mining sector, the agriculture, and the environment. Then the coming industrial settings that Katsina State wants to develop. A lot of things that they said, and the markets, they welcomed him very well. So I look forward to developments, springing up in different centers within the Katsina State.
So today's trading?
Now today's trading, we see the market wrapping itself up downward. And that's on the back of huge profit takings that have taken place in the last 2 weeks. Because we've seen prices of securities, going through almost beating the rooftop. And that's created opportunities for those who really wanted what you call profits from their investment to, apply through their stockbrokers to take some monies out. The pressure that we are having in the economy, the inflation is still very high. So that's really serious. And it's not anything bad. It's just that the market will not be able to look one direction, staying positively for a very long time. This is just what we call a price adjustment. It's not going to stay like this. So next week, we're likely going to see markets, rise up again, because analysts are predicting that this first quarter of the year, we are likely going to see a lot of prices getting up, and investors will all be smiling to the banks and then getting rewards for their investments.
Interesting stuff there. Let's see how this is sustainable moving in the week. In 1 minute, do you think this will be?
Tolu, I think to a very large extent is sustainable, because if you look at what we've seen since about September till now, it's been a very high level of profitability that has come into the market. If you review what we had in the month of December, early January, Nigerian market was ranked among the best 3 in global terms. And I think they still maintain that stance. All right, then.
Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop, my colleague there. Do enjoy your weekend.
Thank you very much.
And finally, crude oil prices fell today as market weighed the threat of tariff by U.S. President Donald Trump on Mexico and Canada, the 2 largest crude exporters to U.S. that could take effect this weekend. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell to sell for $72.66 with a downward review of 0.10%. Brent experienced a price decline of 0.25%, sell at $76.68 per barrel. Bonny Light sells for $78.62 with a decline of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, crude dealers offer $79.56 per barrel with a downward review of 1.11%. Well, that's our show for the week. Thank you so much for being a part of it. I'll see you on Monday, where we'll talk more business and, of course, get the cash. I'll see ya. Take care. Enjoy your weekend.